right, 10 by 10, 350 bucks. We're about to sort this right now. Pretty cool unit. I can tell you right now, this rug and that air conditioner should pretty much pay for the unit. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, real quick, people asked me to talk about what I liked in this unit. When I opened up this unit, I already gone through a little bit of boxes here because I was really antsy. But what made me buy this unit was right here. Secret Service. FBI was showing. Willing to gamble on stuff that has FBI Secret Service showing. Where's the other one right here? See, Secret Service. This rug, it's worth a few $100s, easily 200, maybe 400 in the right market. This right here is expensive. When you go buy it, it's easy 100 bucks. I saw my money back. Things like that I like. Even though it's tossed, you can see all the boxes were open just like this. I already knew it was tossed, but it's something I'm still willing to gamble on because, like I always say, scare money, don't make money. This rug is pretty nice. I don't know if it's Persian, it's probably Afghani, but it's neat, it's clean. We will definitely get some good money out of that. FBI. The books, we'll just throw in something else. Benji's about to be here to help us sort. He's outside, he's a little slow going. Yeah, I don't want him to deal with. FBI, look at that. That's for a baby. Looks like an FBI jacket right here. Boom.
I want an FBI t-shirt.
There's one right there.
My hand?
Yeah.
Yeah, security systems.
Yes, security systems. How much did you pay?
I paid 400.
For one?
700 something for both of them.
Yeah, they're not cheap. I was told they're 300 bucks or so. Ooh, nice. It's like a brand new surround sound, huh?
What it is.
Initech. I'll have to look that up. Inetic. All right, cool. Start making stacks for the trailer. We're gonna go through everything, then load it up, trying to be systematic here. The books. Hennessy Privilege. Ooh, isn't that what Alex drinks? Here's his man bag. Here's your new man bag, Alex. I got you, buddy. Okay, we can fill this up with the next box, Uncle Michael.
Masuda.
Yeah, but we can fill that box up. That's the that's the part to the desk. That's the door to the desk right there.
Sizzler.
This is actually good.
Criminology.
Right, these are all pretty good books. Still want to take them. So we'll go ahead and take Jack up. What do we got here? Right here, Uncle Mike. Stick together here.
What's all these military clothes?
Those go that way, the Air Force stuff. In the Air Force pile. Military stuff. I got a box to go right over here with. I don't want that. What is it?
To hook up the TV so you can have some type of
Can we pack that one now? Put this back in it?
You can, I just want to look in the bottom of it. These have a phone in it. What's this one? That pink.
I guess it's gonna be.
Let's just open it. Nothing.
Wait. That wasn't gonna be my guess.
There's gonna be something in this box. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Sterling silver. Those are sterling. Ooh, what do we got here? Military challenge coins. That's a silver. Nice. Military stuff. That's definitely gonna. We'll have to start a pile right here of good stuff. Da Vinci, where's this at?
This is nice.
It says Beretta.
It's a nice knife.
It is. I might have to keep that one.
Keep it.
Zippo lighter. United States European Command. This is not cool. That's not
This is cool. Solid. Waterman. Nice pen.
Waterman. Nepal. There's a tourist piece here.
The reason why.
Just a nice little bowl there. That's cute. Cigarettes. That's cool. That's cool. Sony Handycam, $599. Not bad, not bad. These are some serious Motorola chargers. They can sell, yeah.
Hey, boy.
That's kind of cool. It's not just a basketball. Touch that basketball. We got coffee pot, bread maker, smart pen. This is all just kitchen stuff, so yeah. You want to bet $1 this has something good in it?
What?
This right here. You want to bet $1?
No,
Huh?
I didn't feel it.
That's up. I gotta go on the plane. I gotta take my gun with me.
Nothing in it already.
Thank you for tacos.
Oh, that's not hard, man. I kind of figured that you might be hungry. Oh, but still, you never know what's inside. Ooh,
what is this?
Ooh, I think these are spyglasses.
Oh man, those are so mean.
Yeah, these are spyglasses, man.
Those are
this is a
so mean.
recording. Look at it.
Oakley.
Oakley Thump.
Oh no, they are there.
Yeah, see? Look at that. I have audio and everything. This is money.
This is Secret Service stuff.
This is money. I'm telling you right now, this is gonna be this is money, Mike. Yeah. It's called Oakley Thump. Prison, you learn pressure points. They teach you all the weak points of a person's body, where to cut. Oh, Mike.
What is that?
This is a gold certificate.
That's kind of neat.
Oh, it's neat. It's worth money too. So you should. Even I might be interested in this. Yeah. Here's another one.
What?
Yeah, see? This is a silver certificate.
Oh, okay. $2 gold. Shit. Doesn't even show anything when I look them up, by the way.
I'll look one for you. Yeah, it's a certain way. Oh, another one.
Nice.
I give you $2 each for them.
I bet you will. Steve found some the other day that were pirates.
Pirates.
Ooh, what do we got here?
Oh, that's a silver.
That is nice.
Yeah. You know who wants that?
That is nice.
So that's
I told you I saw something nice in this box.
yeah.
Good stuff.
More silver certificates. Hold on. Honolulu. Oh, this is
Got
diploma's
3 more.
missing. Look,
What is
$100
that?
bucks.
$100 silver certificate.
Yeah, but no whatchamacallit.
There's one more box right here.
This is just personal. That's definitely personal.
Ooh.
Hey, this is the case for the coins. At the top right here. Make shit.
Money.
It is
Foreign
money.
money.
Foreign money, but
I felt it when I saw it, but it's foreign.
oh, still.
Gotta look all those up.
Yeah, you gotta make sure there's still valid currency too. Uganda. I guess wherever he traveled.
Usually something like that I'll put on eBay with good photos and people can see the value.
Yeah, you can go to your bank and deposit it and get the cash.
Looks like there's American here.
Banco.
Could be wrong.
Centavos. Okay.
We got a good thumbnail video coming for all this.
Oh. This is Libras?
It's not American.
I know.
Bummer.
Still. Foreign currency, Mike?
Yeah.
Lears, you know. Bank of Pakistan. Oh, I'm sorry.
To beat it out.
Good license plate.
Okay, this is gonna be a good license.
That one there? Can I put this one on my truck? Oh, look at
yeah, yeah, that's gonna sell.
Oh, you get a pair of them.
that. Nice.
You know, and
put these on the Honda.
These are a pair.
The lower the number, the richer you are.
Oh, this is a pair. You get 2 pairs.
Nice.
Yeah, this is gonna be nice. That one's gonna.
We're looking for watches. We're looking for
That's like a
special
airplane
devices.
headphones.
This one here is, yeah. But I gotta have somebody sort that tomorrow.
Cords. You might need some of the cords.
Yeah, let's just regular cords. Put that on the book.
Yeah, I didn't even know that